Google previews how password killing Passkeys will work on Android Chrome. We explained in our last video how Google announced its support for passwordless FIDO sign-in standards and previewed what the end-user experience of Passkeys on Android and Chrome will look like. Google has been working to replace passwords for the past decade or so due to people's poor password hygiene. Example, reusing credentials across multiple services, vulnerability to data breaches, and phishing scams. Apple, iOS, Mac OS, Safari, and Microsoft Windows 8 are also supporting to the new standards, thus simplifying sign-in across devices, websites, and applications, no matter the platform, without the need for a single password. How Passkeys on Android Chrome will work. Your Android phone will store a passkey that's used to unlock an online account in Google Chrome. Instead of entering a password to sign into a website or app, you just unlock your mobile device. Passkeys are synced to the cloud Google account and transferred when you get a new phone or if it's ever lost. On desktop computers, the first login will require your phone to be nearby for authentication. Afterward, sign-ins just involve unlocking your PC. The passwordless future places a very strong emphasis on your phone and Google account. We are told today that Passkeys will work with the devices running Android 9 and newer. While we have already spotted Google Play services redying support. Meanwhile, logging into your Google account will still involve two levels, factors of security and authentication. When can you use Passkeys? This industry-wide support was announced on World's Password Day, with full implementation by OS vendors, online services, websites, and apps expected over the courses of 2022 and 2023.